Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to move your Whirlpool refrigerator for cleaning, checking behind the appliance, or rearranging your kitchen space, you may notice the refrigerator refuses to budge as easily as expected. Sometimes it feels completely stuck in place, while other times people are unsure whether the wheels are locked or if leveling feet are holding everything down. Since many Whirlpool refrigerator models use support adjustments to keep the appliance stable, unlocking the wheels properly can make moving it much easier and safer. The good part is that once you know where to look, the process is usually quicker than most people expect. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to unlock Whirlpool refrigerator wheels the right way. Try these. Step 1. Pull the Whirlpool refrigerator forward slightly to check if movement feels restricted. Step 2. Look underneath the Whirlpool refrigerator for wheel locks or leveling supports. Step 3. Adjust the bottom area of the Whirlpool refrigerator if the wheels feel locked in place. Step 4. Test movement on the Whirlpool refrigerator gently after making adjustments. Step 5. Keep the cord behind the Whirlpool refrigerator clear before moving it farther out. Step 6. Reposition the Whirlpool refrigerator and confirm the wheels roll smoothly again.